everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today we're going to see what is this. So let's see what is inside of the plastic bag. Wow! Beautiful inside the plastic bag. Oh, heavy! Damn. So I have a Hello Kitty cupcake. Paint a modular dough. See inside. Inside. Hello Kitty cupcakes. Paint a modular dough. So let's get open. So actually open here. Like that, I love it. Wait for a minute. So, okay. So guys, I have here white dough, yellow dough, blue dough, and white dough from Hello Kitty dough, brown dough from Hello Kitty dough, red dough from Hello Kitty dough, yellow dough from Hello Kitty dough, oh gosh, and purple dough from Hello Kitty's dough. So let's get out the box from Hello Kitty's dough, and this one there. So I will cut that in there. I think not easy to open. I think she had the tape inside here. Had a tape. Let's get out the tape here. No. Yeah. So I have here the cupcake paper, design molds, shape molds, roller, and some get or something, I don't know how called, recipes, knife and another tool, and the tower. So let's build the tower. Oh my god. Oh. So I know that some is there for builder. Good stickers. So let's build all cupcake. So first, I've got Rado. Yay! Rado. This shape malts colored pink. Rado. Really nice the dough is. Really nice the dough. The dough is. So I have for Hello Kitty. Back. Get the extra dough. On the top, get the extra. And I had my cupcake. So the extra dough, put it into our can. So I made tonight is one cupcake only because 2 or 1, that's nice. But because I have no more time for this nice cutting for these 2 in the sides. What the hell? I don't do it, but can't. That's enough. Good now. Designing molds. For a good face. Oh gosh. Yay. Perfect. More closer. More closer. I zoom it. Oh my gosh. No. Yay! But she had double eyes. Can you see it? There! Double eyes! No! Why you get double eyes? No, she got double eyes. Rado again for her little bow. Comment below for who cupcake did you like? And boom! She had a little bow. Closer. There. So today, one cupcake that I for today, sorry guys, but one cupcake only that I eat because I have not enough time because I'm studying and I love studying. No? Please zoom. Oh gosh, it's dropped. One, two, three, four, five, six. I have not enough time for this. It's my time for my study. This is a toys. I love more toys that I really, really love. Yeah, I love cupcakes. Yeah, 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 yeah. You know everyone who loves cupcake, comment below. Who loves Hello Kitty, comment below. Who loves me joke. And who loves Play-Doh, comment below. Because I create more videos like that. So let's build the nose. Wait, where's the yellow? Where's the yellow? Wait for a minute. That's enough. Hello Kitty's baby. So, ta-da! Our cupcake. So guys, thanks for watching on my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And thanks for watching guys. Bye!